guys, it's quiz time. So let's begin. What I'd like you to do is get your paper and your pen out ready to just put your answers down. So question 1. This device makes your argument sound more credible and believable. It uses the opinions of people who know the subject or the results of surveys and research to be persuasive. What is this device? Write it down. Question 2. This device uses over-the-top language to exaggerate the situation and be more persuasive. What is this device? And remember, at any point, if you need to think about it, just pause the video. Question 3. This device is a poetic technique which uses words which begin with the same letter for a powerful effect. I know you know this one. Write it down. Question 4. What is the name of this device? So we're looking at the name. I'll give you an example of it. We all like to look good, don't we? What is the name of that device? Please write it down. Question 5. What is the name of this device? And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. Please write that one down as well. Question 6. What is the name of this device? Do something for yourself and eat a bar of chocolate every day. What is that device? Question 7. What is the name of this device? Dancing the night away, looking like a pop star, and meeting your dream guy. Please write the name down. Question 8. Describe the effect of emotive language. So now I want you to write almost a definition giving me the effect of emotive language. So we're now going to be looking at the answers. You've gone through, you've thought about it. Let's see how well you did. When you get one correct, just put a tick, and the ones that you haven't got correct, just write the definition so it's a learning point for you to look back on. So question 1 was, the device makes your argument sound more credible and believable, and it uses the opinions of people who know the subject or the results of surveys and research to be persuasive. And this device was quote experts and statistics. So if you had statistics, it would be part of it. You needed to also put in the experts, the expert sources as well. Question 2 was, this device uses over-the-top language to exaggerate the situation and be more persuasive. What do you think that one was? Yes, hyperbole. So exaggeration. Question 3 was, this device is a poetic technique which uses words which begin with the same letter for a powerful effect. And yes, we knew that this was alliteration. Okay, so if you have that one down, just give yourself a... Question 4 was, what is the name of this device? We all like to look good, don't we? And that device was rhetorical question. And what gave it away, that question at the end as well. So question 5, what is the name of this device? And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. And this was antithesis, right? So antithesis. Next question, question 6. What is the name of this device? Do something for yourself and eat a bar of chocolate every day. And this one was personal address. So you had the you addressing this person to get them on side. What is the name of this device? Dancing the night away, looking like a pop star, and meeting your dream guy. And the device was a list of 3. And if you had put rule of 3 or pattern of 3, that would be correct because it's the same device, just a different name. Question 8. Describe the effects of emotive language. And we have emotive language. You were supposed to write the effect of emotive language, and here it is. So it stirs an emotion within the listener or reader. So it is about the emotional appeal to the reader.